Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. Je suis Monsieur Ngolon. Je viens de la Côte d'Ivoire. Je suis donc ivoirien, de père et de mère. J'étais à la recherche d'un enfant avec mon épouse. Et après plusieurs recherches, nous nous sommes avérés que Dieu a un plan pour les autres. Et il a permis que nous rencontrions par l'intermédiaire du personnel de la clinique du professeur Fesco, qui nous a évidemment très bien accueillis de l'aéroport jusqu'à mon premier séjour ici en Ukraine. J'étais très ravi et je suis retourné en Côte d'Ivoire. Et aujourd'hui, je peux vous assurer d'une chose, ce que vous voyez là, ma belle petite fille, adorée ma princesse, que j'adore, et mon épouse, que j'aime à la folie. Nous avons pu revoir notre fille adorée. Et je vous exhorte à faire comme moi. N'hésitez surtout pas, car c'est une réalité. Dieu a créé la médecine. Il a donné l'intelligence aux gens de soigner, mais c'est lui qui guérit. Tu es une femme, tu n'arrives pas à avoir des enfants, alors retiens ceci, viens en Ukraine. Ton enfant se trouve en Ukraine. Tu es un homme, tu n'arrives pas à avoir des enfants, alors viens en Ukraine. Ton enfant se trouve entre les mains du professeur Fesco.
My name is Aisha Nagaran, and this is my beautiful daughter here. Hi! We put the socks on to keep her from putting her hands in her mouth. But we are so happy for our daughter, Vivian. She was born June. And I don't know, my husband explained to you how we came about. He found the FOSCO, the fertility clinic online after trying. And he made a call and spoke to the clinic, and I follow up with that. And since we have been at the clinic, we have been very successful, and we are very, very happy. We came here throughout the initial stage and to the final stage. During the COVID, they were able to accommodate us to stay here in an apartment and also have us a driver to take us around from here to the clinic. So everything here at the clinic has been very great. I recommend anyone that wants to come and have any problem to come and choose this first clinic.
Et je remercie aussi Anessa, qui nous a beaucoup aidé dans la communication. C'était la première communication. C'est une femme adorable et très professionnelle. Natalia and
Daria was there, and we came through. Also, we spoke to Hannah. Mm-hmm. Natalia was the translator. She was very good. Mm-hmm. She answered my call promptly every time I called, and she was able to respond to me. Yeah. Alexandra was the last one we came with the coordinator. The coordinator, she doesn't speak much English, but she was able to communicate with me on time with my questions and concern. She arranged for us to come. She arranged for us for the transport to come here at the apartment. She found the apartment for us. She was wonderful.
Et je tiens à vous rappeler que avec l'Ukraine, la clinique du professeur Fesco, il n'y a pas d'âge pour une femme pour avoir un enfant. À tout âge, vous pouvez avoir un enfant avec ce merveilleux professeur.
The people I find very, very nice. It's very safe here. We didn't go out much because of the restriction, and we have a baby, so we don't want to go around any sighting. If there was no COVID, we would be out there sighting, but I think we are saved. We went to the market. We bought some food, brought it home, and did some cooking. I have a travel agent that is also from Ukraine. He's very, very nice. He was able to take us to the market and also bring us home. So the people are very friendly and very nice.